Your money habit determines if you're going to remain poor or you're going to improve your financial status. Have you ever asked yourself, why am I broke? Have you ever thought about that? Well, there are a lot of habits that could contribute to your being broke. In this video, I'm going to talk about a whole lot of things that contributed to you being broke, because there are a lot of things that you don't know you are doing wrongly that's actually causing you being broke. No money? Stick around, we're going to fix it. Well, the first thing that might probably be killing you is for you to be living a life as if you are rich already. Okay, spending money on luxury, something that you don't actually need, all in the name you want to feel good, you want to feel among, buying new latest iPhone, spending excessively. You actually living to impress. That is killing your point. Another reason why you are broke is because you don't track your budget. Imagine you're just spending, you don't have budget for what you want and need. You don't make things up. That might hint you, spending lavishly on things that you might not necessarily need. Have you thought about that? So another thing that will make you remain poor is procrastination of savings. You say you don't have enough now, I'll save later. If you keep procrastinating, it will never be the right time for you to save. From that time that you have, keep saving. Cut it in half. There's difference between what you want and what you need. Why not buy what you need, not what you want? Save that pieces of tiny money and you will find it useful at the end of the day. So guys, another important thing that will make you remain poor is borrowing money to impress. Spending lavishly on vacation, something that didn't matter. Why not keep saving that money for something that really matter? You want to impress your family member, you want to impress friends and family. When you grow broke, are they going to come to your rescue? Think about that, guys. Another important thing is for you to have multiple sources of income. If you rely on only one source of income, that might not be the good thing for you. You are relying on salary. What if your salary source is gone? That means you are vulnerable. All you need to do now, think about that talent, that skill that you have that can make you money without relying on salary. The wealthy people, those that really have the real wealth, they don't rely on salary as their source. They have multiple stream of income. Think about that. Oh, guys. So your money habit determines if you're going to remain poor or you're going to improve your financial status. Think about what you can change about what I've mentioned. If you change any of those things, that might improve your financial status.